So today I got a comment on one of my video that the size of this blade for the screwdriver Taparia 927 is not accurate. So I thought let's measure it. So what I did is I went to this tapariatools.com website, and if you go to this flat screwdriver section, you can see here the blade length is denoted by the blade width, like this part. If you see, this one is denoted by B, and the thickness of the blade is denoted by, like this part, the thickness is denoted by T. So if we go to product number 927, we can see the blade thickness is, like, width is 10 and thickness is 1.2, and the other parameter like A, C, D and L are 234, 10 and 327. The weight of this is 245 grams. So let's see. So we will start with this blade. So let's use the vernier caliper. Okay, so as you can see, it's 0. If we see the thickness of this, so it's around, yeah, it's 10 mm. Okay, I'm not measuring it accurately. Let me try again. Yeah, so it's 10 mm only. Okay, and if we see this width of the blade, which the website says it's 10 mm, so as you can see here, so it's magnetic actually. Yeah, this is 10 mm. Okay, and the thickness is, I would rather say it's more thick, like the tip. If you see carefully, the tip is more thick compared to what is claimed by the website Taparia Tools. So here it reads, no, let me keep it here so that it's more clear. It reads 2.12, and as per the website it should be model number is 927. Let me see, it should be 1.2 mm. It's more thick. It's like 2.0, 2.1 mm. Maybe I'm not measuring it accurately. Even if I try like this way, like this, let me try. It comes out to be 1.94 only. So it's more thick, I would say, but the blade width is 10 only. So there is no mistake there. And if you measure the other dimensions again, this one is like 20 centimeter, and if we see from here, it's around 33. And if we measure this part, this is like 12 centimeter. And if we see this thickness, it's around 331.64 or 65 mm. This thickness is like 32.44 mm. this thickness 23.77 mm. This thickness is like 32.57. This is 10 mm. Only. Yeah. So yeah, so yeah, the website needs to correct few things like the thickness of the blade, but the width is correct for this Taparia 927 screwdriver.